Here is a concept idea that you can implement for your personal brand or business. The idea here is that you use text to wrap it around products and highlight features and benefits of it, or you can also use it to wrap it around people and images in your photos. You can really be creative and have a little bit of fun while doing it. And here's how you do it. You open the Made To app and you go to the Magic Brush section and you go to the Custom section where you can write in your own text. After you finish writing your text, you'll then use your index finger to just wrap it around like a magic wand, and it's so easy to do. Just wrap it around and make sure that you also add a space at the end of your words to just give it some breathing room in between words. You can also customize it using different fonts and using different colors for your image. In this example here, you can kind of tinker with it, make sure you add the space like I mentioned, and you can just wrap it around. You can make it curvy, you can make it straight, you can wrap it around a certain angle of your image. And once you get it right, you can just hit save and you're ready to go. Be sure to follow for more content, inspiration, tips, and tutorials.